Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall multiple games at the same time or to leave them on your Xbox Series X. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and go to Settings. Then scroll on down to where it says System. And then go to the right and go to Storage Devices. Now locate the drive that you have this connected to or downloaded on. So most of you just have the internal storage, so let's go up to the top. And then we can go to Uninstall Content right here. All you have to do is press A on this, and this little menu will open up. So let's go to Uninstall Content. And then we can choose the game or application. So Multiverses isn't out right now. It's like in a beta or something like that. It will be released again at some point. So I can delete that if I really need to. But let's delete some things under here. Let's delete the avatar editor because I never use that, or the Xbox original avatar stuff. I'm going to go to remove selected now. Select this, and then we can go to uninstall. So I'm uninstalling multiple games or items at the same time. And then we can go to remove these items from your groups and homes. Yeah, why not? Let's do that. Alright, so if I go back to my games and apps and see all, they should be removed under apps now. If we ever want to go ahead and re-download a game at any point, we can go to the full library and we can just find it under here and then re-download simply. And then you'll have to see it in the queue right here, and it should be downloaded for you. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.